So I've set up a system around creating and posting LinkedIn content so that it's easier for me to capture my ideas, edit them, and post them consistently. So this is my LinkedIn content system. I'll walk you through exactly how I manage my content from idea to a published post. I manage all my content inside of Notion. So this is my Notion content database. And this is the calendar view. Everything starts with a new idea. So whenever I get a new idea, I go to the new ideas tab or the view and then create a new page. So this usually happens on my phone because ideas come at random times when I'm not sitting at my computer. I create a new page and then I give it a simple name just so I know what this post is about. So let's say this is about LinkedIn content system. And then I open it up and here you can see several different fields. So first one is the content type. So these are the different types of content that I create. It could be a question, a thought, a personal project, a tool discovery. It could be about a YouTube video that I watched and found valuable and want to share about it. So I'll tell you later why I have these content types, but for now I would just select the appropriate type from this according to my idea. So here is the context. This is where I dump all my ideas, thoughts, everything that comes to mind. It's messy, it's not organized, it just really raw and random sometimes. Most of the time I do voice notes on my phone, so I just open this open the Notion app, go into this field and speak out what I want to post about. So it's just quite messy, I would say. At this stage there's no formatting, it's just I leave it as it is. And if you can see, there's a status field down here and it's new. Whenever I create a new page in this view, it always sets the status to new. And that's it. I leave it at that. I have an automation running which runs twice a day, every day, and it looks for any entries in this database with the status new. If it finds it, it will go in and use the context that I've added and the content type, and will send it to an LLM with my prompt to generate a fully formatted LinkedIn post. It turns the messy raw context into something very structured and readable, and it saves in this field, the LinkedIn post field, and then change the status from new to in review. So what happens then is this new idea goes from new ideas view to the in review view. So now all I have to do is whenever I have time, I would go in and click on any of these in review posts and read through what the LLM has generated for me. So usually in my prompt, I have given specific instructions to write like me. I've given examples of my original writing and also guidelines and guidelines about tone and style and everything. So it write very close, but it's not ideal all the time. So I go in and add my own personal touches, bits and pieces here and there. The thing is, when I see a post nicely expanded and structured like this, I get so many ideas on how to improve that, so I add them in here. And I could also remove things that I don't like. And once I'm happy with that, what I do is schedule it. So the status go from in review to scheduled, and then I would schedule it for I'll set a particular day for the schedule date. And that's it. So I have another automation running that on that particular date, it will fetch the post scheduled for that day and will publish it to LinkedIn. I don't even have to worry about that. So whenever I see my content calendar, I see all these posts scheduled, and I know that they are posted on that date. So if I want to change the date, say I don't want to post this one today, so I'll just drag it somewhere here, and the schedule date will change accordingly. And if I want to repost something that I like and think needs to be posted again, I can simply drag this into the date and then remove, change the status to scheduled. If you want, you can extend this in many different ways. So I have an image field here. I usually don't do images like whenever I feel like I would create and add an image here, but it's not must have for me. But you can have another automation that runs and grabs this post and create an image for that and upload it here, so you have an image for every post. And also you can extend this system to post to Facebook, Instagram, or you could even manage your newsletter this way. These are the two automation workflows that run in the background, making this system work. If you would like to set this up for yourself, join me on Monday live stream. We will build this together.